Hey guys, Colton Lindberg here with eXp Realty, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be looking at 3 properties in San Pedro you can get for under $500,000. Let's check it out. Alright, so this first property we're going to check out is on 5th Street. It's a single family home. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath. This home was built in 1929. Alright, we got just over 1,000 square feet. Our lot size is sitting right there, about 5,000. Let's look at some of the pictures, huh? So as you can see, it looks mostly original. Got some popcorn ceilings going on. Nice little mantle for your pictures right there. Alright, so as we can see, it looks basically original. It looks like we might need some new floors, some new cabinets, and some new countertops. Again, it looks like we need some new floors, new ceiling. Let's check it out. Looks like we might have some possible mold behind the sink. Got a little bit of a cluttered backyard. So yeah, I love houses like this. You know, I see a cluttered backyard and I think, okay, get a weekend, a couple friends over, and we just get a big old dumpster and throw some of this stuff out. Oh, look at that surfboard, huh? A little twin fin action. Yeah, man, I'm about it. Yeah, it looks like we might need to get that roof checked out. So all in all, it looks like a pretty big lot. Yeah, huge lot. So let's dive in a little bit deeper into this property. Let's see what it's about. Okay. It's actually zoned LARD 1.5, or better known as the small lot subdivision. Now what's interesting about this, you can build onto it and rent out those additional units. So that is very interesting for you investors out there. You might be looking for something like this, or even just a DIY project. Alright guys, let's take a look at the next one. Alright guys, we're looking at this property on Santa Cruz Street in San Pedro. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, 726 square feet on a 1,500 square foot lot. Sales price originally was $499, and they dropped it down to $489. Interesting. There's a myriad of reasons why they could have done that. Nice exterior. Looks like we got some new windows. I wonder if those are dual pane. Dual pane cuts down on the street noise and also saves you on your heating and cooling bills, which is really nice. Looks like we got that luxury vinyl plank flooring. Super easy to clean, scratch resistant. Got some new painted cabinets. Looks like a new countertop. Some new appliances. Nice. Yeah, alright, okay. Digging it. Digging it. Nice little full bath right there. Stackable laundry. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, wait. I think I saw something. Look at that. Irish Spring, baby. Alright, this one looks pretty turnkey to me. It was on the market for 67 days total. You know what? This one actually kind of looks like a flip to me. Let's do some more research on this one. This one looks like it could be a flip, which is not a bad thing. Let's look at the history. Yeah, right here you can see this was actually purchased in 2020. For $358. Wow. So this guy probably threw some money at it, got some work done on it, and then it sold for $489. Made a pretty penny. So this one's pretty turnkey, move-in ready for you families who want no fuss. This is a beautiful property. Alright guys, well, let's check out the third and final property. Let's jump on into it. Alright guys, so now we're looking at this final property. It is a condo on 26th Street. It sold for $470, originally listed at $499. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,100 square feet, and it's a condo, so the lot size is a little bit different. It was built in 1976. So the days on market, we're looking at 16 days on market. That is pretty common now, especially in this competitive market. All right, now we're gonna take a look at some of the pictures. So you got a wonderful view of the harbor. There's the building, really cool shower curtain, getting a lot of pirate vibes. Another great bathroom. So these are actually bamboo floors. It's pretty sweet. I love this little heating unit. And let's see, we got bamboo floors throughout, except for in the bathroom. Oh, wonderful view. Got a lovely view from your balcony here. That's the unit. So let's check out those HOA fees. These HOA fees are at $440 a month. So you're going to have to factor that in. So this condo is located in the Palisades area of San Pedro. Great school district, still in that LA Unified. All right, well, that was our final property, 26th Street, Unit 304. Alright guys, we checked out some pretty great properties. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below on which one you prefer, and if you're okay with rolling the sleeves up, getting down to the grindstone, or if you're more interested in just turning a key, moving your stuff in, and living your life. Hey guys, one last thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the thumbs up button, it really helps with the algorithm. And finally, have a great rest of your day.